Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Audio Trek, Osage Hills State Park in Oklahoma, about an hour north of Tulsa. Join me, your host, Ken Sipes, as we explore the natural world around us. During my visit here, I filmed these cascading falls both at sunset and again right after sunrise. Using different camera setups in the morning, and I found a pool that the water was falling into with a really nice echo. So while the same cascades, a very different sound and look to this episode. Now, as I was driving across Oklahoma to the park, what was the visual landscape? These rolling hills were covered with cattle, oil wells, and wind farms. Yep, seriously. Imagine driving along with the hillsides covered with herds of cattle, scattered oil wells, and of course the windmills everywhere you look. A sort of drive-by history and economic lesson about Oklahoma. I'm looking forward to someday returning in the springtime when the river is flowing fully. Until then, please enjoy these falls at the start of an Oklahoma morning. In addition to the original 60-minute audio podcast, be sure to check out the Explorer and Magellan Circle supporter area for the 60-minute videocast or the 180-minute audio podcast. Details for these and all the podcasts are available on our website, audiotrek.io. Audio Trek, relax, explore, meditate, and sleep.